What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the AISITIN 5.5 solar fountain with LED colors. Yes, I review solar fountains with LED plenty times on this channel, but this one is from AISITIN. I haven't bought a AISITIN solar fountain in a long time, like very long. So that's AISITIN was one of my first fountains that I got. I want to say that AISITIN is very innovative when it comes to their fountains. They was the first ones to do like different features with their fountains. So yeah, salute to AISITIN, and let's go ahead and get into this. This is supposed to be a rotating nozzle, so that's something new for this channel, okay? Rotating nozzles, and the nozzles are clear. That's the first time. Everything is clear. And this is the first time. Alright, you guys, so we have been asking for this for a long time. Do we have anything or a remote to control our lights? And I believe this may be our answer. Alright, so let's go ahead and take the pump out. Now you have a auto and a night, and I do not know what any of that is right now, so this is insane. So as usual, this is your motor. You have your filter right here in case you need to change your filter when it becomes dirty. Alright, and it's very, very small. We're going to put that back in. Alright. I actually like this, you guys. It's nice and slim. If you look at the other fountains I have, it's about that much thicker. We have instructions, and we definitely will go over that. Oh, okay, so instead of the 4 pegs that we usually review with these fountains, usually it's like little 4 straws or sticks or whatever you want to call them, but on here you have these little pull-outs, and this is very nice. So you can pull out, and like, let's say if you have a pot, you want to put this in the pot. So you got 3 sides. Give me a second, you guys. I'm also trying to hurry up before the sun go down. I should have reviewed this earlier. Oh, the wrong side. Alright. And I know that. Alright, you guys, so this is insane. You guys, you could put this literally in a pot and it will stay still. Alright, so let me close them back up. I'm gonna close them back up. Alright, I like this style. I like, you guys. This is the future. Let's go ahead, let's put this thing in some sun and let it charge up. This is a 3000 milliamp battery, so we'll see how long it lasts. Obviously I haven't had it in the sun for that long, so subscribe to the channel. I will feature this again just to let y'all know how long this fountain will last during the night. Let's go ahead and put this into the bird bath. Alright, you guys, so I just cleaned the bird bath out, and we are going to put the fountain in. Now, once again, there's a reason why I like this fountain, because the legs on it adjust. So if you needed to go wider, if you had a wider bird bath, or if you had a wider bowl, some people may put this in their bowl or pot. Got it in my face. Okay, now just to show y'all this, my bird bath is 18 inches in diameter, so this is pretty cool. This is all I wanted to show y'all. The main thing, like, this thing stretches out, and this is pretty nice just to have it like that. You don't even need the nozzles, as you can see. It comes out pretty nice. Now this is late afternoon sunlight. I'm stepping right in front of the solar fountain, and you see that it still works. I stepped away. So this works in sun and shade, ladies and gentlemen. That's why you have your battery. They have ABD, which is rotating from what I see. So we have 8 nozzles here. None of these are labeled. but I am just gonna go off by guess. This thing looked like a little spinner part right there, so I'm assuming this one is the one that spins. So let's go ahead with the bullets. These are very different, you guys, so let me see. Wow, that goes very high. Say about 14 inches in the air. All right, you guys, so this thing has two different reducers, and one is a wider opening than the other one. So I figured this out without the instructions, because the instructions don't really tell you how to do it. So welcome to the video that will tell you how to do it, you guys. So subscribe to this channel if you like this type of content. So right here is a spinning mechanism. Now this part here don't spin, okay, but this brings the water into the nozzle for it to spin. This is your spinning nozzle right here. So what we have to do is we get our reducer, right, the one with the wide opening that I was telling you about. You get your little extension right here and you put it inside. All right, you see where this little recess part is? You grab this part here. You see with these little teeth right here? Teeth has to be up, and you push down on the recess part. Push as tight as you can get. That's tight enough. Now this goes like this. Now it's supposed to remain loose. You see how it's loose? Alright, now we're going to put our spinning nozzle right here. And you see that? That's how it spins. Push the motor up so I can push it down, and that is awesome. Salute to Austin solar fountains, you guys. This is innovation right here. I love this. Gotta get another one. Got to get another one of these. Alright, you guys, I am so in love with this right now. I don't know what to say. This is awesome. Alright, you guys, so there is not that much water spraying out. This is a 18-inch bird bath. People have been asking me where I got this bird bath from. I got it from Pier 1 Imports. Right before they closed down their stores, they had a 50% off on everything, and I got this bird bath, well, these two bird baths for 50% off. This is concrete, just to let y'all know, so you may see cracking on it, rust, probably from the rebar that's in it, but that always can be repainted. If you want bird baths like these, I do have a video on the store I went to called At Home, and yeah, so something that I noticed, when the sun got blocked from the clouds, it did go slower, and y'all saw that in real time. But this is so cool, you guys. Look at that. Alright, you guys, let me stop having fun and get to the rest of the nozzles. There you go. Alright, you guys, so please give me at least a few days, or one more day, really. All I need is one more day to figure this remote out. I will read all the content that's here, and then I will have a better understanding. Right now I'm just opening the box, showing y'all the basics of it, okay? Alright, so let me go over the rest of the nozzles and close this review out. Alright, you guys, so we got 8 nozzles to go over, so I just wanted to show y'all one of the coolest things that I thought about this fountain, but let's go ahead and get into the real. Alright, so we're going to use the regular reducer right here. Remember, the wide reducer is for the spinner, and I kind of want to get this off. There you go. Now if you want to put the extension on, it's your choice, but I just want to show y'all this. Make sure when y'all put this down, you push the motor up, because when you push down on the, wow, that's coming out nice. When you push down on the nozzle, the motor goes down. Put this nozzle on. This nozzle ain't bad. It don't come out as much as the other one. This is a weird one. This is like one that could have been on a spinner. Ooh. That one is definitely different. I like this. So this one has 3 holes on the top, and then it has 6 shooting out from the side. This one I actually like. This is different. This is something new. All the other fountains we reviewed didn't have this type of nozzle. Alright, we have another one here. This one have a lot of holes on it. Let's see how this one shoots. This one ain't bad. You can use this one for a smaller fountain. Now we have these flower models right here. Look like flowers. Wow, and that one comes up very high. Alright, I need this one for the big basin in the back. My little pond. Whoa. Oh, that one's nice too. Alright, now as you see, all my water is leaving the pot. So I definitely won't be using that one for this. And our last one, 4 holes right on top. So let's see how that one comes up. Once again, I will need a bigger pot. You see the water is coming out. Alright everyone, so it is 8:30. I didn't want the light to come on. Anyway, so it's about 8:30, 8:45. It still didn't cut on at 8 o'clock, so I think around 8:30 it's cut on right. And right here, I have light on and light off. Alright, there you go. So you have light on, light off. Got the 100% and timing and all that. So first thing I want to do is hit light on and off. Hit light off. So when you turn the light off, it still come on. I'm gonna turn the light on. And right now, it's going in different colors. I don't think you are able to change the colors. So let me hit night real quick and see what happens. Oh, so when you hit night mode on it, it comes on. Hey, okay. I'm having fun, you guys. Let me hit daytime real quick. Daytime. Alright, so daytime it turned off. I'm gonna hit nighttime. This is so cool. I know this is the winner, you guys. This fountain is the winner. I love it. I have to get another one. I have to get another one. Something similar to this one, but I want a remote. This is so cool. I like this. Now, where will I keep the remote? Somewhere close by, but yeah. This is awesome. Alright, you guys, so it's not much to the remote. We will go over the remote a little bit more, but I just want to close out this review to show y'all that y'all can control this with a remote, that this solar fountain is a little bit more advanced than the other solar fountains that I reviewed. But this is too cool, you guys, too cool. Alright, you guys, so that will be it. Alright, you guys, so this is the final review with this solar fountain, and I want to say that I love this fountain, and I will be getting maybe like a few more of these because I got different water projects coming this coming fall. And yeah, so that will be it, you guys. This thing stayed on, and remember, I wasn't even fully charged, so it stayed on till like 11:30. Any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section, and I'll catch back with y'all on the next review. Later.